Alright folks, today I'm diving into the world of desserts. If you're a beginner and think you can't make something sweet and delicious, think again. Here are 5 simple desserts anyone can whip up. Let's get started. First up, we've got the classic chocolate mug cake. All you need is a mug, some flour, cocoa powder, sugar, baking powder, milk, and a little oil. Mix it all together in the mug, pop it in the microwave for about 90 seconds, and bam! You've got a gooey chocolatey cake just for you. Perfect for those late-night cravings or a quick dessert fix. Next, we have no-bake Oreo cheesecake bites. Crush up those Oreos, mix them with some melted butter and press it into little cupcake liners. Then, whip up some cream cheese with powdered sugar and vanilla, spoon it on top of your Oreo crust, and let them chill in the fridge. Easy peasy, and oh so creamy. These bites are perfect for parties or just a sweet treat after dinner. Third on the list, simple berry parfait. Grab some yogurt, your favorite berries, and a bit of granola. Layer them in a glass or a bowl, and you've got a dessert that's not only delicious but also looks super fancy. Plus, it's healthy-ish. You can even customize it with honey or nuts for added flavor and crunch. Now let's talk about Rice Krispie treats. This one's a childhood favorite. Melt some butter and marshmallows in a big pot, stir in the Rice Krispies cereal, and press it all into a baking dish. Let it cool, cut into squares, and try not to eat them all at once. These treats are perfect for kids and adults alike, bringing back those nostalgic memories. Last but definitely not least, the easiest banana pudding. Layer some vanilla wafers at the bottom of a dish, add sliced bananas, then pour over some instant vanilla pudding mixed with milk. Repeat the layers and top it with a bit of whipped cream. Chill for a while and enjoy this creamy, dreamy dessert. It's a crowd pleaser and perfect for any occasion. There you have it. 5 simple desserts that even the most inexperienced cook can whip up. So roll up your sleeves, head to the kitchen, and treat yourself. These recipes are not only easy but also incredibly satisfying. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy recipes. See you next time.